Number 3, first foul of the game. Enjoy.
Okay na. Ano nangyari dun? Hindi na lang wala po sa
And foul. No. And 2-0. The first score. And here's Uloti. Uloti setting the play. And here's number 3, Ichon. Back to number 13. 13, spinning around. 10 seconds. And not good. And here's Rojo again. Rojo, number 24. 24.
Yes!
Fast attack.
Yes! Yes!
Number 24, Rojo. And back to number 9, Gomez. To number 3,
Pensa!
Ichon. And 10 seconds shot up. On the attack.
Rebound, yes!
Big rebound by number 1. Again, here's Rojo, number 24.
Yes!
Pass to Kurt. And
Yes!
number 17.
Rebound!
Goal.
Rebound!
Back to number 17.
Yes!
And here's Acuña. Acuña, sana pa. Basagan mo pa. Tingnan nyo, tingnan.
Okay lang yan.
Score muna na. 4-0. Nabati ko po si Rex. Nabati ko ulit. And number 3.
Pensa!
Harassing by number 27. Here's number 3 there. 2 points by number 3. Rojo. Rojo
Yes!
on the hook.
Yes!
On the 3. No. And here's number 17. To number 27. Jump shot. No good. And the rebound. The foul goes to number 21. And down.
Kami ba mo?
Put. And the one it's not good.
Isa lang.
And the last
Isa
shot.
lang.
No good again. And no good again. And here's Uloti. And number 10, jump shot.
Rebound.
Not good. The rebound number 21. 21. And there's a foul. And who's correct number? Number 1. Pushing foul. Peter Snap to know it. And on the center, number 21. Not good. And the last shot. And that's good. 1 point. And number 17, Rojo.
Yes!
Number 21, Kurt.
Yes! Yes!
Two points the number 1, Acuña. And number 30 on team. And that's a foul. Number foul. Number 27 foul. And there's a 3 shots by number 30, Coloni. 3 shots of opportunity by number 30. And the score, 6-3.
Best up.
And the first one. Damn. The first one is good. And the second. Sorry naman. Again, the way lang. Sorry. And the last one. Ang ganda sana ng lipat. And the last one is good. And here's Rojo against my number 3. And number 27.
Yes!
To number 5. Acuña on the attack. Oh, and the ball. Inbound ball. And the ball goes to
Diana.
Black ball.
Diana.
10 seconds. 12 seconds. On the shot clock. And number 27.
Yes!
On the three. Go! And here's number 10. Gomez. Now, 2 points. By number 10. One.
You must!
And here's number 21. Here's number 10. Boyan again. And 2 points. By number 10. Nakakahamon. Dahil 6 ang
Come on.
lumalabang ang Mamba. And here's 27. And number
Yes!
10.
Ay!
And who's brought up? Number 10. Number 10. Gomez.
Yes.
And number 5. Number 5 on 3. Number 1.
Foul!
And loose ball. And here's number 3, Inchon on the run. And pass to number 10, jumps in again. 2 points by number 10. And number 24, Rondo.
Yes!
And who's brought up? Number 1 for timeout. 1 for timeout. Timeout! NC behind.
Back to the ball game. Michael.
Depensa! Depensa!
10-second shot clock.
Depensa! Depensa! Wala! Rebound! Rebound! Yes! Yes! Foul!
Who's foul run? 23.
Shot clock yata yun. Kailan ng sito. Yes! Yes! Ay! Isa pa!
Yo.
Rebound, rebound!
And the shot is not good. And here's number 13, Lodi. Lodi, number 10 again.
Pensa!
Jump shot.
Rebound!
Good. And the rebound,
Yes!
number 1 to number 24. Rono.
Yes!
Pass
Yes!
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 2 points.
Nice!
And the
Pensa!
score is 11-9. Ay.
Depensa!
And number 20.
Depensa!
And number 13.
Wala!
Jump shot.
Rebound, rebound!
No. Here's Rono.
Yan!
Throwing to number 27.
Let's go!
And shot.
Sabay!
And almost to number.
Oh my God.
Number 223.
Balik, balik!
Marma na likod.
Depensa!
And here's number 10.
Depensa!
Boyan. And the foul is number 5. Akuncha. One in for penalty and one in for sub.
Depensa!
And here's number 10.
Depensa!
Number 20, Ortega Johnson.
Rebound,
No.
rebound!
Number 10 again. 2 points. Boyan Gomez. And here's Rono. Rono setting the play. And number 17. Number 27, Fury.
Rebound!
And the rebound goes to number 3. To number 23. Ready player.
Depensa!
And number 30, Lichon. Ay, number 30, Lichon pala.
Yes! Yes!
And number 5.
Ay!
No. The rebound goes to number 10. Now, one for sub. And here's Ortega.
Depensa!
Ortega looking around. And
Depensa!
to number 9 Agustin on the 3. 2 points now. 2 points. 2 points. Ang sabi ko rin. And foul. Who's got it? Number 13. Hold on. Sub. Number 25 Jimenez. And for number 27.
Tahimik ang dalawa dyan. Lakas.
And here is number 70 to number 24. And too much. Score po natin is 79. Number 223. Mar.
Depensa! Depensa!
To number 10. Gomez is spinning around. And number 30. 90. And ball. And he meron tayong yung ano natin, medyo, hindi nagbabasa eh. Medyo pagpasensya yung mga ating mga machine.
Sayang. Sayang.
Okay, back to the ball game. 79, ang ating score. I-favor pa rin ng Bamba. And here's Ronald. And number 25.
Meron.
Nangyari.
Ano naman?
Again. Tapping by number 10. Recovered by number 2.
Yes!
Jump shot.
Rebound! Rebound!
And low. And the ball goes to number 23.
Yung oras hindi gumagalaw.
And to Ortega, number 28. Against by number 25. Setting the play. Pass the body. And loose ball. And back to NCD High.
Oras!
And here's Jimenez to Rodo.
Yes! Yes! Yes!
Score natin is 70-12. And number
Depensa!
23 to number 30. Against by number
Depensa!
25.
Depensa!
And Ortega
Depensa!
to number 23. One, two. And number 25, Jimenez.
Yes, Baron!
Five. Take the shot. And he now went number 30. Number 30, Kulani.
Depensa! Depensa!
No.
Pass! Pass! Foul!
And number 1.
Gadara!
He's Ortega.
Depensa! 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 Oh, taban!
And Tsunami.
Nice!
Score po natin is 17-12. 17-14 ang ating score. And Jimenez again.
Gadara!
On the layup. Go. And the rebound number 1.
Yes!
Number 24 again. Go.
Tumano!
And here's number 5. Acuña on the corner. 10 seconds.
Tira! Tira!
Jump shot by number 25. Rebound by number. And who's got it? Number 28.
Nice! Nice! Two shots?
One first up. To number
Yes!
2 points for number 1.
Wow!
17-16 ang ating score. One first up.
Depensa! Yes!
Sunset.
Nice one!
Number 88. The score po natin is 17.
Depensa! Depensa! Foul siya.
Oh. Number 20. Number 24. But
Depensa!
good number. Not good. And here's Yuri.
Yes!
Here's
Yes! Nice!
Number 23. Foul. And on the line for 2 shots, number 25, Jimenez.
No, Derek! No, Derek!
And the first one, it's clear. 1 point. 7-0, adding score. And the last shot. No. And number 28,
Depensa!
Ortega.
Depensa!
Ortega,
Depensa!
Ortega on the attack.
Depensa!
Number 23.
Depensa!
Agustin number 19. And number 24.
Foul! Foul! Ah! Okay lang yan, okay lang. Okay lang, okay lang, okay lang.
Number 24, foul.
Kaya nga, hindi nga ninawa.
Third, personal foul, number 24.
Hindi, okay lang. Kalma lang, kalma lang. Kalma, kalma.
17 na score!
17 on the score. 23, foul.
Depensa! Depensa! Rebound! Rebound!
Again, go ahead.
Rebound!
Rebound.
Rebound!
Agustin. No.
Rebound!
And he's number 17. Point to steal the ball.
Rebound!
10 seconds.
Depensa!
5 seconds.
Depensa! Wala! Counted ba yun? Ha?
Double foul.
Ha?
Number 17
Ha?
and number 19. Double foul.
So nag-foul yung isa.
Basket count. Warning goes up. Warning goes up now, ah. And number 17.
Yes!
Rolling on.
Yes! Yes! Go, Manong!
20-19 ang score. Lamang ang ating HCBI. 6 minutes remaining for the first half of the game.
Depensa!
10 seconds.
Depensa! Rebound!
And there you go, number 1.
Ba! Baba!
And number 29 on the
Ay,
attack.
foul!
Tapos by number 23. And the ball goes to Samsung.
Sa kabila. Walang
And
tao.
here's the Talbot, changed by number 24, Rojo. Yung ating mga chikiting, pakinggan natin mga bola.
Foul! Ha?
And turnover by number 1.
29
And here's Ortega, team on the ball. Number 30, Claudio. 20-19, running score. And here's the mark.
Depensa!
20. 1
Depensa!
minute up. 10 seconds.
Depensa! Depensa!
4.
Wala!
And here's Yuri.
Wala!
Back to Yuri.
Yes! Baba! Foul! Foul!
And there's foul.
Yes! Nice!
Pasok kayo.
Nakita din! Nakita din!
Who's foul? Number? Number 10. Time out! Mama!
Yes! Huwag kayo dyan! Huwag kayo dyan, ha?
2. Free throw shots by number 18, Yuri.
Go, Be! Go, Be!
And the first one.
Ay! Salang!
Not good.
Salang! Salang!
leading again. The rebound number 3 to number 21. Edgar. Edgar. And there's a foul. Number 0. Number 25. Sorry, 25. Jimenez. Two body shots by number 21. Edgar. This guy. Warning for some.
Bata.
And the first one. Good. Relax. Number 21, the last shot. And good. And shot number 21, 27, and number 25. And here, number 28.
Yes! Yes! Ay!
Still by number 23 to number 23.
Depensa!
And
Depensa!
Gulani. 2 points by number 30. Gulani. 23, ang aking score.
Ay!
30, still. And number 8, Yuri. No.
Rebound!
Big rebound by number
Yes! Hawak! Hawak!
Number 2,
Rocket!
7.
Rocket!
Oh! And rebound goes to. And
Raven!
who's right? Number 0. Holy cow. Penalty, there's a penalty, right?
Ah!
And there's a 2 bonus shot by number 10. Score natin 23-20 in favor of Mama.
Yeah.
And the first one. Good. And number 10 again, last shot. Number 10, rebound. And number 0. And here's some
Yes! Ay!
Number 10.
Baba!
Number 30. Easy 2 points by number 30.
Sab na sab. Yes! Yes!
What happened?
Ha? Ha?
Warning, number 10, delay the game. And here's number 23, back to number 30. Seconds remaining.
Depensa! Depensa! Depensa!
On the three.
Wala!
And that's it. At the second half of the game in favor of Mamba. And here's Ortega, number 28 to inbound the ball. And number 3, Ichon.
Depensa!
Ichon on the move. Number 30. The jump shot. 2 points. By number 30. Lobby. Jimenez on the attack. And the whistle goes to number 19. Number 19. Agustin. And here's Jimenez to 2 points additional shots. And the first one is good too. And the last one. That's good again. 20-24. And here's number 3. Setting the lead, Ichon. To number 28.
Depensa! Depensa! Nice!
And third number. 10 behind. And Jimenez, bababa ng bola. Number 17, Rono. No. And number 8 is still number 17. To number 1. To number 2 for Rono.
Yes!
Going out
Yes!
to the corner. Number 1 is Rono.
Yes!
To
Yes!
the ball,
Yes!
25, 17. 8 seconds shot. And foul. Number 3. Ichon. 7 seconds on the shot clock. 4 seconds. 2 seconds.
Yes!
No. And here's number 13, Kulani. Left shot.
Ha? Ha?
Relax, mga kaibigan. Relax lang.
Ayaw nga. Bakit ano ba nangyari doon? Ano sabi pa doon?
Save on.
Yeah, not
And
counted. Not counted.
Counted.
Yeah.
Ortega, naglalabas ng bola.
Depensa!
And
Depensa!
Glody.
Yeah!
Number 30.
Sige, bawi! 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 Bumawi! Nice!
Number 30.
Depensa! Depensa!
Number 28. Ortega.
Depensa!
25. 10 seconds. on the
Depensa!
clock.
Wala! Foul! Foul yan!
And the rebound.
Offensive yun! Offensive!
And number 8. Again.
Wala! Foul! Offensive!
Opposite ball.
Yes! 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 Yes!
And number 25.
Best actor! Ha?
Nangyari.
Ha?
Labas ang bola by number 1. So Talbo. To number 25. Ang score natin 30. 2 and 6. Jimenez. To number 13. Ang 17.
Yes!
Pwede pa kayo.
Ha? Nice!
Number 19. Fishikaw. Agustin.
Okay lang. Marunong na yung
1-4 penalty. Number 24.
Yes!
And number
Yes!
1. Losing the ball. And Agustin. Left shot. 2 points. By number 19. Agustin. Rono. Jimenez.
Okay. Yes! Ay, foul! Foul! Foul!
Number 8.
Penalty! 2 shots!
And here's Rono on the center.
Go, Manong!
Ball shot by number 17.
Go, Manong! Ay!
And the first one is not good.
Isa lang! Isa lang! Isa lang!
The last one, number 17. Air ball. What is up? Manong, number 17. Take a rest. Number 10, score mo natin 32. 26.
Depensa!
Number 13, Claude, Sherry Tabay. Here's number 28, Ortega.
Depensa! 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 Yes! Good D! Wala! Yes! Nice D!
Yes, Rono.
Go B! Foul! 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 Ay! 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 Ay!
Right again.
ng B? Oh my God.
And the ball goes to
Ay!
foul. Who's foul? Number 18. Yuri. Score po namin is 32-26. Here's number 13.
Depensa! Depensa!
Jump shot. Oh. And
Foul,
rebound,
foul.
number 24.
Foul! Foul yan!
And number 80. Here's Yuri.
Madara!
Number 25. Left shot. Yes, sir.
Madarat!
What it was up? Mapa.
Depensa!
And number 28, Ortega, setting the lane.
Depensa!
Number 3, Nicho.
Depensa!
10 seconds shot.
Depensa! Depensa!
8 seconds.
La!
And here's the jump shot. 2 points by number 30. And this is the number 3.
Depensa!
Number 3, another opportunity by number. What it was up?
Depensa!
And here's Glody again. Glody
Depensa!
again. Number 3, each on number 3. No. Rebound, number 18, Yuri.
Baba! Baba!
And number 25,
Madara!
number jump shot. No. And number 5, what it was up?
Apat pa! Apat!
MC behind and Mamba.
Depensa!
34-30. How about the score? Glody on the 3. No. Number 21 against by number 28.
Yes!
And who's foul? Number 8. Sub. Number 8 foul. And 2 shots by number 24, Ronyo.
Yes!
The first one is good.
Sapa! Sapa!
Number 24, Ronyo again, last shot.
Yes!
34-32, up by the score.
Depensa! 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 Wala!
Another 2 points by Boyle Gomez. And Rojo. And taking the ball.
Kobe!
Screen by
Kobe!
Rojo.
Yes!
On
Rebound,
the
rebound!
and this Glody. And here's number 10, 2 by number 1. Left shot by number 10.
Yes!
Number 17. Go. Again.
Yes!
Mano.
Yes!
Number 17. 2 points.
Romanong!
Colon.
Depensa! Depensa! Yes! Rodong! Rodong!
Left shot. And here's number 5.
Depensa!
23.
Depensa! Depensa!
And he's ready. No. Number 1, si Palo. And number 5.
Bawi! 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 Bawi!
2-2.
Ah! Depensa!
Number 23. And number 30. Number 23, Bob. What it was?
Depensa!
And who's
Block
foul?
yun! Block! Block!
Who's foul, right? Number 1, Sotalmo. Sub. Magpagpag mo na ng malas. And number 283. And the first one is good.
Huh? No?
Sorry.
Good.
And the last one. Shoot.
Go, Derek!
Ang aming score.
Go, Derek! Go, Enzo B!
1 minute and 20.
Go, Enzo B!
5 seconds.
Yes, Mano! Mano! Yes! Depensa!
Here's Loni.
Depensa!
Wala.
Oh. Dahan-dahan.
Ronyo.
Show.
Ronyo.
Ayusin!
1 minute remaining on
Yes.
the clock. No. And here's Bell. Without Good boy.
The big boy. Depensa!
Surveyed.
Depensa! Depensa! Depensa!
Back to number 20.
Depensa!
10 seconds.
Dito, depensa! Dito! Depensa!
Is winning on the jump shot.
Rebound! Rebound!
And here's number 27.
Foul! Foul!
And the ball goes through. Number 18 seconds remaining.
Depensa!
80 seconds.
Depensa!
Goodness.
Depensa!
10 seconds.
Depensa!
6 seconds.
Depensa! Wala!
Not counted. And that's the end of the third quarter of the game.
Review stay.
Ayun lang, Dora. Sige lang. Recording
Rihanna.
nagiging problema pero we can handle it. Don't worry. Be happy. Okay, here's number 13. Kuloni.
Ah.
Kuloni to number 3. Ichon. Setting the play. Number 10.
Depensa!
Number 23. And number 27 to number 5.
Yes! Yes!
Okay, number 5 and number 27. Number 25 pala. Sorry. Kulani, number 13. Number 3, back to club. Jump shot on 3. Oh, di luar ke bola. Ronyo. Janet, number 24. Number 24. On the jump shot.
Rebound!
Rebound by number 1.
Yes! Foul! Foul!
And number 3.
Rebound!
Number 30. Layup. Layup is reversed by number 30. Lock.
Yes! Derek!
Rebound.
Yes!
And last touch by number 19. Agustin. Inbound by number 1
Naman siya.
to number 25.
Toy!
Here's Kirk on the 3. Goal. Again. Recovery by number 27 but is stepping on the line. And number 13 again. Against by number 27.
Depensa.
Step move. No.
Rebound! Rebound!
And here's Jimenez. Jimenez.
Yes!
Being patient by Jimenez. Still harassed by number 10.
Yes! B! Baba! Lalim!
Ronyo.
Ay!
Still. And
Foul! Foul!
Japon. And the
Foul!
ball goes through. Save ball. Save ball. And number
Yes!
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 So, Talbo.
42. 42. 42
Number
na.
30. So,
Depensa! Depensa!
There's 23.
Depensa!
Number 30.
Depensa!
Shama.
Depensa!
Kinaliwa. Jimenez on the other.
Yes! Foul!
And
Foul!
foul goes to number 10. Third personal foul. Third personal foul. And the first one. 21.
Go, Derek!
21. Good.
Yes!
And the last one. Woo!
Nice!
25. Good. 44. 43. Ang ating score.
Depensa!
Number
Depensa!
3, Ichon.
Depensa!
Rebound.
Rebound! Yes.
And easy rebound by number 24, Ronyo.
Okay.
Hey,
Ka lang,
Venus.
ka lang. Ba,
Ronyo.
ilalim! Yan!
Hook shot.
Ay!
Left shot.
Yes!
Yes!
Yes! Nice!
26-43.
Nice, B! Depensa! Depensa! Dito sa kabila. Depensa! Depensa!
Number 10.
Rebound,
No.
rebound, depensa!
Agustin rebound. No.
Yes! Ay!
Still on
Depensa,
number 30.
depensa, depensa!
On the move. No. Fire. No.
Wala! Hawak, hawak! Rocket! Rocket! Foul! Ay, grabe yun! Dad, Dad! Pasok, Dad! Dad! B, wag na, B. Okay lang yan! Okay lang yan! Okay lang!
All players, please proceed to the respective benches, please.
Kalma, kalma, kalma! Kalma, kalma, lamang tayo! Kalma! Kalma, kalma! Kalma!
Two, three.
Kalma, lamang tayo, guys! Lamang tayo!
Ball possession.
Kalma, kalma!
Back to ball na. Relax na, relax.
Wala! Klaro-klaro sa video, hindi traveling yun. May video, may video. Mami, ano yun mo si Dad? Saan? Review, review, review! Review sa footage!
Nangyayari na talaga yan. Sa NBA yan. Nangyayari.
Balik ka dun. Saka. Wala! Wala!
And the first one.
Kalma lang, kalma lang. Lamang tayo, guys.
The last one.
Wala! Technical.
Good.
Technical.
Score namin is 46-41.
Okay lang yan! Depensa!
Inbound by number 10.
Depensa, kalma lang! Kalma lang! Depensa! Focus!
Here's number 30.
Focus na, focus!
Number 23.
Depensa! Depensa!
Here's
Depensa!
number 3. Number 3.
Rebound! Rebound! Depensa!
Number 30. 10 seconds shot clock.
Depensa!
Oh, number 20.
Rebound! Rebound!
Number 1.
Ay, Mark! Foul! Foul!
And
Foul!
number 25.
Yes!
On the side. Go. And rebound number 3.
Depensa! Ay, wala ba? Ha?
Basket count.
Ha?
Basket count and 1 body shot.
Paano naging counted, June?
Yeah,
Foul
basket
number
count.
4 pa.
And 1 body shots by number 30.
B, kalma lang, B. B. Tahimik, B, tahimik lang.
Oh! All 46. 47.
Oh, mali. Focus, focus, focus.
In favor of Mama.
Focus lang. Focus lang.
Wari Pasad.
Focus, focus, focus. Kalma lang.
And
Yes.
number 23, and Sam, number 5. Third personal foul by number 23. And here's number 25.
Yeah.
Steve to number 30. Actually, to number 30. And number 10.
Depensa, depensa. Yes. Yes.
Number 5, Acuna. Against Messi.
Tap.
Here's number 17.
Gabi. Baba,
Romeo,
baba.
number 24. 10 seconds shot clock.
Baba, baba.
7
Yes.
seconds. No.
Depensa. Depensa.
And number 13 to number 25.
Depensa.
10 seconds shot clock.
Depensa.
Who's foul?
Bi, kalma ka.
Number 1. Black foul. Third personal foul by number 1.
Bi, kumalma ka. Kumalma ka, Bi, ah. Kailangan mag-focus kasi crucial na. Kumalma ka.
And the first one, it's good.
Kalma.
All 48.
Wala.
And the second one is good.
O, focus lang.
49-48, the run score.
Focus lang, focus. Focus, focus.
And Sotano, all
Focus. Go, NCB.
50-49.
O, depensa, walang foul. Depensa.
And
Wala.
43.
Baka naman. Baka naman, baka naman.
19. Wani Port Ramay, Agustin.
Kalma, focus. Go! Go, NCB.
And number 25.
Depensa.
And the ball goes to
Wait.
Mamba ball.
Wait lang, baby. Malapit na matapos yun. Depensa!
And here's the shot number 3. No. Three
Nice!
seconds violation.
Ari, can you sit here? Can you sit here?
Number 1 to number
Ay, Derek!
and number 25 to number 5. No. And number 3. And number 2. Number 3, third personal foul. And the time remaining is 1 minute and 52 seconds for the last quarter of the game.
Gabi!
Number 24.
Aba!
Number 25. No. And the rebound, number 17.
Manong, yes!
Number 5. Third, fourth personal foul by number 23. Wow, Manalito. And on the center, number 5, Acuna, for the 2 block shots.
Gagi. Update.
Alright, back to the ball game. And here's Rondo.
Gabi! Gabi!
And the first one.
Isa lang! Isa lang!
Go.
Isa lang! Isa lang!
And the last
B,
shot.
isa lang, B! B, isa lang ha! Isa lang! Isa lang!
And this is
Abasa! Foul! Foul!
number
Foul!
2. Foul.
Foul!
Number 3. And the time limit is 21 seconds. And who's the next for the 2 ball shots? And one.
May rewind
And
ako!
the last one.
Wala! Ibigay sa...
Number 10, and who's back? Number 10. Alright, graduate. Ang score po natin is 57-52 and 30 seconds remaining. And the first shot. It's good.
Yes!
And the last one. Boom. And the ball is going to Mama. The score is 58-52. Timeout, Mama. And score 58-52. 30 seconds remaining. Yung ating last game, Solidar versus Wairarapa Bowlers. And ang ating score is 58-52. Wala na po tayo tumama. And yung ball by number 21.
Depensa!
Number 7.
Wala!
Go.
Yes! Tuwal sa oras.
9 seconds. 9 seconds remaining.
Hawak bola, hawak bola.
Sultano.
Hawak bola. Hawak na lang, hawak.
And foul.
Yes!
7 seconds and 0.40 seconds on the last third quarter of the game. And Acuña, number 5. And the first one is not good.
Isa lang.
Yes, sir.